Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Shop Cash in 2025. So first of all, ensure you have Shop app installed on your device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Simply open your Play Store or App Store, then search for Shop app and click on the Shop app icon and install it from just right here. So click on Get Started first, then sign up using your user credentials, or if you already have an account, just log in. Now after you open your Shop app, navigate to the Shop Cash section. And after navigating to the Shop Cash option, your current balance will be displayed at the top. So Shop Cash is earned through eligible purchase and promotions. Now, step 3 will be browsing eligible stores. Tap on Shop Cash offers in the app. If you see it there, this will show stores where you can spend your Shop Cash. So not all stores accept Shop Cash. So make sure to select a participating retailer. Now, step 4 is choosing and adding an item to your cart. So choose a product from eligible store, then click on the Add to Cart button. Then click on your cart icon at the bottom right, then click on Continue to Checkout, and at checkout, you will see an option to apply Shop Cash. If you have enough balance, it will be automatically deducted from the total menu. If your Shop Cash doesn't cover the full amount, you can pay the remaining balance using your credit or debit card or other payment methods. Now, review your order details and tap Place Order and your Shop Cash will be deducted. You will receive a confirmation email once your order is successful. Also, you can look for Shop Cash promotions and use Shop Pay checkout method to earn additional Shop Cash on eligible purchases. That's it. Enjoy using your Shop Cash for discounts and savings in 2025.